PCS nyumo so de amo akwaba. Yes. 7 nominations. It was the Ghana Music Awards. PCS wabodjuma. When ya kremu nsia bi de so de kofie. Yes, I na bibi wo. No. Wabodjuma too much. Congratulations. Well, nominations so PCS. Come on. Wama me fema na no pay. PCS. Na yamo akwaba. GFAS mixture. And I came on up here in some idea bro. So na oneexpert.com. oneexpert.com just nyasam keto akra nra krofo diskego mbotom and so wet me diskego mbotom ni bi e fa wonjim yenye sika na ma krofo bi so mo nko na eni usu betima di bi oneexpert.com sedimo gel and roll on pin be kwa sedimo gel and roll on yamo akwaba Sergio Manocho Bena Panibo me producer schedule na kasani Erica Siedu Bwedi na yebeshen semona sentem paso the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana ahead of Ghana game yene Angola de pem so on Thursday no nra na 24 ehwe the head coach ade ekire pana on Thomas Chris Hilton wo Kumasi na nyasam keto akra na eba beto musa no na enchiremu no ekire December 2024 and the contrast number na wie no bo modern atwaso e de amano na yeyi na kire no den sama to dwa kire mo se ba wa ba no wontumi emfa ne nsensi ne bo ensha Ghana fo nyina boso obeje kruwa bia de amaye na mom timu a tele timu mu odin na obetimi a share boso be hihya maye aba yetumi agina ba bia trophy de be ben kakra eno ne sama Chris Hilton e de to dwa.
I think what you do is that you always have to judge what you think and what you perceive as success and failure nearer to the time. And you also have to remember that what is deemed success and failure is different to different people. My responsibilities are, and what we have to remember is that I have the responsibilities to, if I look at the present squad that we have, remember we went into a World Cup campaign with the youngest squad in the World Cup. So my balances are on bringing these young players through, and also making sure that the experienced players that we have in the squad can be a good combination. So it's always going to be a mix of what is the most important thing, and the most important thing is always here and now. We have two games this week, and this is what the most important thing is. But I also have to have an eye on development, and I think I would be judged on a way a team play, what I've made from the players that we have, whether I've managed to get the best out of the players that we have, and have a support, and this is the most important thing, that have a support that enjoys seeing their team play. Now, what is judged as success and failure will be perceived in different ways. Ultimately, at this moment, it's about winning 2 games this week. It's about qualification to get to AFCON, and it's doing and preparing the team as well as we can from AFCON.
Right, Chris Hilton in some order to Johnny B on a 25 months quarter or the Ababa to Dra Nra what was share trainer say on Crino. Now the some kakatu Jaffa, 8th place the share trainer say about the Crash Sports Stadium and Andrea Yo Ababedu Sansona, yes anymore, Inaki Williams Abedu, Daniel Amati, Joseph Fedu, Antoine Semenyo, Joseph Pincel, and Ransford Yabomina Babedua, one more share trainer say Enra or the Crash Sports Stadium. Players are from the Kobo Angola game, no, then some of the two Jaffa only.
The best I can with the new players that have come into the squad, and of course the existing squad members. I can only ever pick 25 players, and I think most of you would know that we have some injuries. So some players that have come into the squad that wasn't in the initial squad. But it's that balance, and what I didn't want to do was, because what I can do is, if I'm looking at the amount of talent that we have out there, I potentially could have brought in, another new 3, 4, 5 players that have not been involved in my period of time. But we have to have some consistency in the squad. And we spoke about going out of a World Cup in the last game, but we have to remember, this is a team that got to the World Cup when there are numerous very, very good teams, African teams, that didn't get there. So the starting position is good. And I say, with the introduction of a lot of new players in my period of time here.
Right, Black Stars head coach Chris Hilton. Not only somewhere to dress no, yes, say place akana be do my mona de akosubiano akutumi akoyi na yetimi achi Angola fona ayom hojuma ewo ayekumasa baba ya Sports Stadium Sedimongel and roll on kind when I didn't summon the bro pin bekwa Sedimongel and roll on now when the Ghanaian Premier League matches mean we can mo yi fi ho na the shocker league leaders Adriana Stars Legon City's Chiombo Kaminwa one to me ante and of course go be making Faisal and be any Gold Stars also about 0-0 yemo matches nimo
is on the ball, sent a long one in. King Faisal will have to regather themselves, and quickly they do that. Entry and the thick of it's part of the activities as we wind down the process on match day 22. That's a forceful effort by King Faisal. Goalkeeper was committed. Scored. The trickery still has on as he gets in the pass. Shot, oh, right off the line. And the return does not cause the needed havoc. Cover up. Here's Kamara. Kamara lays on the pass and there's a chase there, but look at the sprinting abilities of goalkeeper Benjamin Asiedu.
Yeah, and this is a bit better from Gold Stars again, trying to pick the spaces.
King Faisal have been let loose. Here is Baba. It's a 1v1 situation. Oh, Baba leaves the ball behind. Bibiani Gold Stars have an opportunity. Chest off the top. Oh, Stephen Osubanahene. Isiama behind the ball. Bends it nicely. Oh, that was close. Defended nicely, and that will be the last of the actions here. Final score.
Right, and so I know the course. So games the way want some so Abraham won't say see at here. Now Adriana Stars they training himself can be a song Casro or betting a trim, but then resource on the Aqua and the NASA something which is there. Adriana Stars for 400 Montias, but Open Liga ja such games as so to me in the Legon City's area. Nyeman kuyi but what me actually Adriana say the ekoni etutu say yes I didn't know that Carolina also Adriana to papa and yasam keto akra na yemfi oni enkopi ensemfo from Jifas mission I can where some there bro Jifas ma wagina na to say bema and I say oba and akopi oneexpert.com so can wana and some there bro around here back kwa if he say yenu atrufi mu ya hana yi pa around the bright awito na return animu a as on your true female crop. Just say, was said no man, you know, see who's or said, you know, if he said, who are true Black Stars, mono, why I name when you know, said true. I'm a true crab, one or name a bimonia, the idea, near Chuko Hanepa.
Abofrakumai, Nidiade, Bright, Arinto, Cedar Stars Academy, and Usina Kind, Ewan Crap, Puniman Timha, if he make a cranny, Niashita, we are Siaman Saya. Dodo na epu abehwe no se wo hwa bofra ni tri ebesi fomo a ade ba akopɛ ena beba otrim minim se dia medwini ade bia na wo dwene mesrew e kame ho na mempone ahintasɛm a ɛwɔ abrantie hu enkyerɛw answer na bright wo gepene abeka Cedar Stars Academy popoko hu no na woni baabi te de obedie kura no na dene enu nti ono ankasa da dwene ho se adwuma bɛn na ɔbɛya ne nsa bɛkɔ na no ne santi ordinary bomu a ɔkɔpɛ droba bi a wɔyɛ ni meti ya na wodi ne pa ne nyinaa mu ne yankopon akyenade a pɔpɔ de na wɔfa anya hwe nanso hwan ene egina mu aboa no ɔdomfoɔ bi ɛbɛyɛ ne mo a wɔne ne kasa ayɛ sɛ ɔbɛboa no na ne da so so obesi aka akwakire no abamu papa ya okoye bright emoa no ne dindi Kevin Darlington okohwe bright bebi a wote nanso na nya nika okodo mosuko ekohwe ni fie a na abofra kuma Bright Arinto obi kiosk mu ene wada ewon kra ha wode ne ko ni fie ema ne ntade peba bi hye ya wode din komokọ akire no wode tumu se obeja mate ni die na fe ne dai so obesi akan no wato aso wato boot ene ne jesi ede mana opeja ne nsa edne call Cedar Stars Academy fo akache a ene yi woni omu hwibomu abrantie yi edika no me ka kire wo se hwe ne ye pa nanim etira watwa ena fe nanu kukuruwa nipa ba ko pe ena ni din eba wodi enkane Black Stars player ya ene yi wonya ne bra bi ko Christian Achu ni look alike pepepe ena wogina hoyi wono ne Bright Arinto abrantie se afiri bra wo so nyina toto na de ne toto atwe ho enye se wo sene keke se wo gina go pama so na se wo tenetene ho apa kansie bia nkofo se atwe anunti wo ye na twene se akwan bia obehu atwe no ono Bright de obehu no kopem se enye se wo sene keke akaya wosie no no bia na wosie oya bonkuma ena fe ono aso Bright nso minchi efi Volta region na kire se one Christian Achu nema bebre adanso awo mu mienu ntem nanse ya yete ho afofia ntoata ya Christian Achu onya ne ba bi kro ye no ena brantie yi ne mframa no ahyase se ebo uko Cedar Stars Academy akachi a ne players ne coaches afi management ni team Bright nankasa mo fan frɛ no Achu a na mo de frɛ no a yasu atwi mfidie kopie mu ho no abrantia no nyasa agro onimbo ne bankasa ogyina ball so na se wo twe ne mfefo a agye se referee na baben ansa na wajai atwi ne da abrantia ne so no ampa onse ne keke abofra kuma Bright wodi ball setalia enkoma yi ni di ye no wo kire se ne da so ne se obehia atwi no ene ya samba mu ne da wote ese papa yi wonya ne bra bi kro obi man so tekino sa na adwo no wanna kura usuya ne manager wone ne tie kura no ne were hoye na brantie Bright Arinto aka Christian Achu de wo kan se abakosem ene nioma ne role model Christian Achu abaye wasasi so no wo bompa ese Nyankopon behira no 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 so abaye bie no atoaso na fe nyese wo sene keke anunti wo de bedi akakabensem aye masem wo wiase adoma chede e wo ne so se wo si akan no wo beye ne ho pampe se na beya ono so din ba hita wo wiase na Yakopon ye na adom kopia ma no ne a wate o man Ghana nim e na fe Christian Achu onso wate nanim na brantie se na busuafo aya na mani ajepa akopem se ebra na woni ba bite wonya bibi ni no no munim se ne dai so no emamu ene ya atoto na ahyase epu behwe no woni agro de obeye bia obetumi no obekoma twebodi afiri wiem na obaye ni patitire edachi enti abusuafo Bright Arinto enie Christian Achu look alike na ma no bi fra no Christian Achu low budget won se Christian Achu keke onimpo ne po a abonkuma ho de ogina wa ono obi a mbomuchi
na for so metwa ha de ase
na to wona mankofo aka se kusi obi ana na ya be na wo se no Christian Achu a se bi onya ne baby ko sisi a wonyini na nkofo e de nsat na so se o sa atu ana se nso no nyina no mo fe na wo sia atu ben ansa na wo wu ana One brother. Wow. If you want to come, then go for Ajua. How do you feel? What's all the Joe fans about? Okay. They say, you know, when you start of play, the manager, what catch I say, what style of play is that people get it? So we're starting to start people get it. And you know, I told myself when we are fair paying, say, or so they watch that you pay now. So, I'm to feel atwa bi so afon ti fi ra ji o obojo wo no I won't share that. You see, I will boss the Stars Academy. And here, no person could do a dash or football. The same good Libya. Christian, I should be a more or the two was so many. The global boat want to make the answer. And I'm a friend. No bubble, I do the one. If I say, I keep on the bubble coaching. And I think say we start see our videos in the trend on social media. We manage to make better so background office be banner. And when opportunity be national teams under 17 and the actual is after open. The floor under 17. Wow. Nothing say one of the blue pine now. It's something now consider Ghana for see what Tracy was also the share actually. Then I'm going to inform and also they do to me. I training the status.
Right, Christiana Chu, Yamenfa Nekra in CA as a Wabatwadi and Shuye so. Achu, they are the count and you're fine. But I truly, into Yashana, you have said actually Biano, Rebecca, I see an interview, BCama. The castle person, yes, Christiana Chu. Tell you, I don't see the big and pay it in some I see. And I talk so there's a fantastic today and one on the bar. And I fast measure, set more gel and roll on. And I'm oneexpert.com. I am with the Siakon Coma. You're in some at the bro. Said Jobano show. Bana Paribuchi. I the producers. Kai said, what an Ankasabaka Kejuana where I can see you because I have you.